Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my channel today, I'm going to show you how to make date syrup. Date syrup has so many benefits. It has iron, it has so many vitamins, and it is also high in antioxidants. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to remove the seed from the date. So either you use knife to remove the seed, or you can pound it if you are making it in large quantity. After removing the seed from the date, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to wash it thoroughly. The reason why you need to wash it is because some of the dates might have dirty inside them, so that is why you need to wash it at least twice. Once you wash it twice and you can see that the water is clean, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to pour in another water. That is, after you have washed it, you have rinsed the water using washing it away, you now add another clean water to the washed dates. So when you add another clean water to the washed date, you are going to cover it and let it soak for at least 24 hours. This is my date after soaking it for 24 hours. You can see it is very soft. The next thing you are going to do after soaking it for 24 hours is you are going to pour it in a cheesecloth. This cheesecloth, make sure it is clean. Pour in your soaked date and add a little water to cover the date. Then you start matching it. You are going to use your hand to mash this date because you cannot blend it. If you blend it, you will not be able to separate the liquid from the watery date that you are going to use to make this date syrup. So that is why you have to use your hand and match it as much as you can. If you are still watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. This is my date syrup after trying to match it as much as I can. So after mashing it, and you see that you have at least matched it to, like, let's say 95 to 98%. The next thing you are going to do is you are going to sieve the water out from the shaft. This is my date shafts after sieving out the first water, and if you taste it and you can still feel the sweetness is still a bit high, you can add little water to the shaft and try to match it again, then sieve out the water the second time. So this is the liquid I sieved out from the dates I mashed. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to transfer it into a pot and put it on low heat. Allow it to boil for as long as possible. This one here took me, like, let's say 1 hour. The water becomes thicker and thicker as you boil. As you can see, it's becoming thicker here. You keep boiling till it comes to your desired liquid as you want, but make sure it is not that thick, because if it is too thick, when it cools down it will become thicker. So this is my desired liquid. This is how I want it to be, so that when it cools down it will still be thick, but it will not be too thick. This is my date syrup. I'm transferring it into my bowl so that I will allow it to cool down. And this is how it looks when it finally cool down. Transfer into a bottle and put in a refrigerator. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.